Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about a Python program. Write a Python function to add ing at the end of the given string and return the new string. So you have to ask a user to enter a string, and once the user enters a string, so you have to call the function, that is Python function, to add ing, that is append ing at the end of the string and return the new string. So that is a problem statement. So yeah, so let's try to write a Python function. So let's define adding as a function, and I have to pass my underscore string as an input argument. So this is the input argument, and we have to return the, that is new string, that is my underscore string, plus the, that is the three letters we have to add, that is ing. Yeah, so this is a function to add the ing to a given string. So now let's take string and ask a user to enter the, that is enter a given string. So let's take a variable. Let's take text equals to, so let me use input function over here, and here let's ask a user to enter a string. Yes, once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in the variable, that is text. So once we get the text, so let's take another variable, that is new string equals to, so let's call the function, that is adding, and here we have to pass the input argument, that is the text, that is a string that we have asked from the user. So once we get the new string, so let's directly print it. So yeah, so let's say new string is, let's give colon, and here let's print it, that is the new underscore string. Yeah, so this is a complete program, that is a 5-line code to ask a user to enter a string and add ing, that is append the ing, that is letters, to the end of the string and return the new string. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So enter a string, so let's say process is my string, and you can see the new string is that is processing, and let me run it again, and here let's give something like function. You can see new string is functioning. Yeah, so this is a complete program to add ing at the end of the string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.